Teacher Yin Yin Aung from NTTC department. How are you doing? Today I'm gonna teach you science. What is science and why do we study it? Before we go to the lesson, make sure you take notes. What is science? Science is answer. It is the knowledge we get when we ask questions. Have you ever wondered why is the sky blue and why is water colorless? Why do all our belongings or anything that you throw to the air and fall to the ground? There are three fundamental questions we ask in science. These are what, how, and why. When the apple fell down, Isaac Newton asked himself with these three questions. We can classify science into three main branches: physics, chemistry, and biology. Now, let us look at what these three main branches are and how they work in the making of lime juice. This is where physics gets in character. Physics is concerned with force and motion. When you make lime juice, you need to squash the lemon. You need force to squash lemon. And you hold the spoon and the motion evolves while stirring the juice. Then comes the part of where all the ingredients start getting mixed to give us lime juice. In this case, ingredients are sugar, lemon, and water. You see that? This is called chemistry. It deals with the reaction between two or more types of matter to form a new types of matter. Finally, it's biology. Biology is concerned with how your body extracts the benefits from the juice. Now, what you have to know is the togetherness of these three branches, physics, chemistry, and biology, is not in the case of simply preparing lime juice, but also in the case of every event that we see in our lives. Yes, they are like friends who work together in harmony. Everything forms under the two main categories of science. One is based on asking questions about the origin of what, how, and why things happen. This is termed as basic science. Basic science always follows a cycle. Let's see what basic science is using the same example of lime juice. The first step in the cycle involves asking questions. For instance, what are the ingredients used to make lime juice? The next step involves making an assumption or an hypothesis about the origin of lime juice. For example, we could use the juice lemons to make lime juice. The lime juice may taste a lot better if used sugar and salt. Half a glass of water could be sufficient to dissolve all the ingredients. After we made the assumptions, they need to be verified by experimenting and test to see what we assume pretended is true or false. After performing the experiments, conclusion is made where verified facts are established. In this case, we can say that the lime juice is made only juice extracted from lemons. It does taste good with sugar and salt. A glass of water is sufficient to dissolve all the ingredients, and that drinking lime juice does good to the body. So you see now, basic science always follows this cycle. So let's move to the second category of science that involves determining the various utilities of the now prepared lime juice. We could use lime juice for curing indigestions and reducing blemishes of skin. Therefore, this category of science is called the applied science. Simply put, basic science is concerned with knowing something, and applied science is using what you know. We can say that applied science depends on basic science. Now you know that science evolves in our daily lives. And the next question of our lesson is, why do we study science? It is very simple. We study science to explain or understand the world we live in and the world around us. This is my lesson. I hope you learned something from it. If you enjoyed my lesson, please like and share. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe and happy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.